Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Miamimd Dark Spot Corrector is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling stubborn hyperpigmentation, and in today's review, we're diving deep into whether this popular serum lives up to its promises of fading dark spots, evening out skin tone, and revealing a brighter, more radiant complexion that you've been dreaming of. Number 5. VALITIC Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover Soap Bars. Tired of stubborn dark spots? Discover a powerful solution designed to gently fade discoloration and reveal a more radiant complexion. Harnessing the potency of a traditional Japanese complex, this soap bar is infused with nature's best to target uneven skin tone. It's packed with vitamin C, retinol, and collagen to nourish your skin. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin E provide deep hydration and antioxidant protection. Experience the calming benefits of turmeric, shea butter, and olive oil. This gentle formula cleanses while leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized. Achieve a clearer, more luminous look with regular use. Embrace the confidence that comes with beautifully even-toned skin. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have a continuous supply of this effective treatment for your skincare routine. What we like? This option harnesses the power of natural ingredients like kojic acid, vitamin C, and retinol. Its complex formula is designed for effective yet gentle cleansing. If you prefer a natural approach to skincare and are looking for a soap bar that cleanses while targeting dark spots, this is a great choice for your daily routine. What people say. This product is a game changer for hyperpigmentation. I've tried countless products, and this is the only one that has visibly reduced my dark spots. The serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Number 4. EnaSkin Dark Spot Remover Face and Body Serum. Tired of stubborn dark spots? Our advanced formula is designed to effectively target and reduce the appearance of age spots, sunspots, and freckles. Rediscover a more even and radiant complexion. This serum works to diminish melasma and brown spots, giving you smoother-looking skin. Enriched with niacinamide, a powerful ingredient known for its skin-brightening properties. It helps improve skin texture and reduce discoloration. This versatile serum is suitable for both your face and body. Achieve a consistent, clear complexion all over. Experience a gentle yet effective solution for hyperpigmentation. It's formulated for both women and men seeking clearer skin. See a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. With regular use, it helps fade dark spots and reveal a brighter you. What we like? This serum offers an advanced formula featuring niacinamide, suitable for both face and body. It's designed to tackle various types of dark spots effectively. If you need a versatile solution for hyperpigmentation across different areas of your skin and are looking for a serum with a proven ingredient like niacinamide, this product is worth considering. What people say. This product is a game changer for hyperpigmentation. I've tried many products, but this one actually works to fade dark spots. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol Plus Vitamin C Serum. Tired of stubborn dark spots? This serum is designed to visibly fade them away. Reveal a brighter, more even complexion. Harnessing the power of retinol and vitamin C, this formula works to improve skin tone. It targets discoloration for a radiant look. Beyond dark spots, it also combats signs of aging. Fine lines and wrinkles appear diminished with regular use. Enjoy the benefits without irritation. This serum is free from mineral oil and dyes, making it suitable for daily use. See a noticeable difference in your skin's clarity. It helps to brighten and even out your overall skin tone. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine. It's your secret weapon for a luminous and youthful appearance. What we like? This serum promises rapid results with its potent combination of retinol and vitamin C. It's formulated for daily use to combat dark spots and fine lines. If you're seeking a fast-acting treatment to brighten your complexion and even out skin tone, and you like incorporating established ingredients like retinol and vitamin C into your daily anti-aging regimen, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has a nice texture and is easy to apply. I have seen a noticeable improvement in the dark spots on my face. The product is effective in reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Number 2. 8 Saints Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, a potent blend designed to revitalize your skin. Experience a brighter, more youthful complexion with every application. Combat the signs of aging with this advanced facial serum. It works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting smoother, firmer skin. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum delivers intense hydration to quench thirsty skin. Enjoy a plump, supple feel and lasting moisture throughout the day. Enriched with vitamin E, aloe vera, and jojoba oil, it provides essential nutrients for healthy skin. These natural ingredients soothe and protect, leaving your skin feeling soft and revitalized. Effectively address dark spots and uneven skin tone. This brightening serum helps to fade discoloration, revealing a more uniform and luminous complexion. Make this hydrating and brightening serum a part of your daily skincare routine. It's the perfect solution for achieving visibly younger looking and radiant skin. What we like. This serum focuses on hydration and brightening, enriched with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and natural oils. It aims to reduce the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. If you have dry or aging skin and are looking for a serum that not only targets dark spots but also provides significant moisture and a radiant glow, this blend with natural oils would be ideal for you. What people say. It has a nice texture and absorbs quickly. I have seen a noticeable improvement in the dark spots on my face. The serum is lightweight and doesn't feel greasy on the skin. Number 1. Murad Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. Tired of dark spots and dullness? Discover a powerful solution designed to reveal a more radiant complexion. This advanced formula targets stubborn dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It works effectively to fade discoloration for a clearer look. Harnessing the power of patented Retinol technology, it delivers potent results. This innovative ingredient is key to its effectiveness. Enriched with tranexamic and glycolic acids, it further enhances skin clarity. These acids help to gently exfoliate and brighten. Effectively combat hyperpigmentation and achieve a more even skin tone. It addresses the root causes of discoloration. Revitalize your skin and restore its natural luminosity. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a vibrant glow. What we like. This serum utilizes patented Retinol technology along with tranexamic and glycolic acids for advanced anti-aging. It's specifically designed to combat stubborn hyperpigmentation and dull skin. If you are dealing with persistent dark spots or uneven skin tone and are looking for a powerful, scientifically advanced formula to achieve a clearer, more luminous complexion, this product is tailored for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for hyperpigmentation. I've tried many products and this is the only one that has actually faded my dark spots. It's gentle on the skin and doesn't cause any irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.